One day and keep as well. Do you know that you fit the pity person, make the person they enjoy life past you? Let me talk that one. Think about it. This is Ogbe, the voice of the street, where the opinion of a common mind like Monwa and the Gonwa matters right here. Ladies and gentlemen, of course, it's been a while, yeah? It's been a while for the Bemna streets. It entirely means now I just insist we were by here. Like I just go back, and I'm saying, if for me that I don't know what I'm saying, but I know what I'm saying. Ladies and beautiful gentlemen, nice to have you guys again. Today, I actually visited somewhere different, somewhere very cool. Talking about somewhere I visited today, I didn't forget to tell you guys my name. They call me Cutylight. That guy told Ogbe. And today I visited a popular area right here in Enugu. Talking about a popular area, I'm talking about Nkpokiti. And you know I don't walk alone. You know I don't move alone. Of course, somebody actually brought me right here, who happens to be my tour guide. Ladies and gentlemen, you've heard about Noel of Enugu. Here is my tour guide right here. Ladies and gentlemen, you're about to see Noel of Enugu to tell us more about this particular vicinity. Stick around. Ladies and gentlemen, just like I promised you guys that I have a tour guide in the building who happens to be somebody that is very popular in Enugu. Noel of Enugu is right here to give me, in fact, to tell me more about this particular vicinity. Ladies and gentlemen, Noel of Enugu.
Cutylight.
Get away.
I did, my brother.
Nice to have you right here. How's it going?
If we're not on Ogbe.
So this is Nkpokiti, right?
Yes, Nkpokiti.
Tell me more about this Nkpokiti.
Okay, Nkpokiti is a very popular place in Enugu.
Yeah.
It's also a place you can call Ogbe. Okay, it's a place where we have a whole lot of things. We have F9, we have IMT,
yeah.
We have a whole lot of places.
You know, judging from the background here, I can actually see that this place happens to be where upon Nwagi Azasa Ababeda case here.
Yes.
So it's actually a very popular place, and this vicinity actually housed IMT, the popular IMT.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, so now that we are here, is there any other notable places you can actually tell us about this particular vicinity?
Okay, yeah, a whole lot of places. Because here is linked to Presidential Road, the popular place in Enugu, Presidential Road. And we also have a popular church here, House on the Rock. We have a whole lot of places.
So so as the Noel of Enugu, will you call this place now the hardcore, in fact, the main city of Enugu?
Man, judging from everything that this place have, judging from everything that this place possesses, you can find markets here, you can find churches here, you can find notable hotels here, you know, 5-star hotels. You can find a whole lot of places. This place is busy. Okay, so I can call it the heart of Enugu partially.
So, ladies and gentlemen, you guys just heard from the Noel of Enugu calling Nkpokiti the heart of Enugu.
partially, I beg.
Just like you know, guys, of course, you know, this is what we do anytime you see us inside Ogbe. It entirely means it's about to get litty. You know, that kind of thing. And especially, today's episode is a special episode. You know why? Because something amazing is happening. I'm going to tell you guys more about it, but don't worry, one step at a time. So talking about that, the next segment you're going to be enjoying is where we get to find out from the people in the streets. We have a special topic to treat with them, so stick around, don't go nowhere. It is still I, Cutylight. One guy told Ogbe. Ogbe is also Ogbe. I'll see you.
All right.
So guys, just like you know, you are still watching Ogbe, the voice of the street, where the opinion of a common mind like Monwa and the Gunwa matters. Of course, you know what happens, right? Anytime you see me on this particular segment, it means that I'm about to ask people some questions. It is called Voice of the Street. And today, we have an amazing topic. So, recently, the cost of living is actually costing the living their lives, yeah? So now, I have this particular topic called, and the topic is like this, yeah? Do you think eating outside is more costly than eating inside? Let's find out because I don't know why. Let's find out what they have to say about this particular thing.
I prefer cooking inside than buying food outside.
Why?
Anyway, share because if I can bring out 4,000 naira and buy some certain things, my food items, and those food items at least it will last for that day and even the following day. But if I use that 4,000 naira to buy something outside, it will not up to that's only that day, and it will not even be enough because a plate of food now, even small food, is 1,000 naira, and it will not even be enough for you. So it's better I cook outside so that I will know that it's me that prepared that food. Even those people cooking outside, I didn't even know what they used to cook that food. So that is my reason.
So why you are using 4,000 to cook, for instance, are you not going to buy like gas,
Yes, I will have those things. Even if I decide to divide that 4,000 naira including gas, it will still be enough for me. But apart from buying out food outside, it's already prepared food. I don't know, but it's not going to be enough for me.
I prefer eating inside.
Like cooking inside?
Yes, cooking inside.
Why?
Because I can manage myself by cooking inside, but outside is costly.
Depending on what you want to eat and depending on how many you are in the house. If it's like it's yourself alone, me I prefer eating outside than cooking now, because there is nothing. If you want to go to the market with 2,000 naira, or maybe I want to do a fizzy, 3,000, I have eaten 2 square meal, but with 3,000 naira I can't prepare anything, and it's not all food I can prepare with 3,000 naira. So in my own opinion, depending on the quantity of the number of people you have in the house and how you can manage yourself.
Eating outside is more costly. I prefer eating inside.
Why? Like, give me instances.
Because if I cook inside, I feel it is like 3 or 4 days. But outside, just a day. If I buy outside, I feel eat it once to finish.
To me, to cook is more cheaper because if you want to buy food morning, afternoon and night, better you just join the morning together and cook your food once. You can make rice or soup.
Rice?
Yes, because if you go outside now, a plate of food is 2,150. So morning, afternoon and night, or morning and afternoon.
1,000 naira you can get something.
No, it's not going to do you.
No, it won't be enough for you.
Nebuna is like 1,215. Yes, it's expensive now.
I think it depends on the number of people you're cooking for. If you're cooking for a family, it's always cheaper to cook in house. But I think as a single person, just you, I think it's cheaper to buy because the cost of food stuff is too high right now.
Okay, let's talk about like you have like 4,000 naira.
Yes.
And it's meant to last for let's say 2 days or a day.
4,000 for 2 days. I'm not sure it's possible.
It's not possible.
I don't know, maybe it's because of me and how I eat food, but I'm not sure it's possible. For me, I cannot use 4,000 for 2 days. Eh? What? No, I don't know. You have to put meat or fish or whatever, or chicken. It's not possible to eat 4,000
From
for
where I
days.
come from, we can cook anything without meat. We know they like meat.
It's not even about liking meat. It's about the taste of the meat in the food. It's not the meat itself. So I'm not sure I can use 4,000 for 2 days.
Looking at you, you're a big woman, Sha.
It's
That's
not
why
big
you're
woman, it's
considering the taste. But what you know we say food, And you just watched the opinion of the people right here about this particular amazing topic. Ladies and gentlemen, the next segment is where I get to tell you who is running the streets right here. Where we get to meet who happens to be in business right here for a very long time. Of course, it's an Ogbe, and this is Nkpokiti. Let's find out. Kedonye na run business. In fact, who is running the streets right here in Nkpokiti? Of course, you are welcome back to Ogbe, the voice of the street, where the opinion of a common man like a Gungma and the Mumma matters right here. And this is a segment what we call Run and Street, where we celebrate Enugu na Ogbe for a very long time. In fact, you cannot run a business for a very long time. So today, there's no way you come to Nkpokiti without knowing this particular person in the Egusi right now. I'm talking about Nkem. Like in Bateba and then where they make heads, right? You definitely just ask about Nkem. They will definitely tell you that this is the man I'm with. One day, how's it going?
Fine, sir.
So far, so good now. Okay, cool, Saga. You're doing good?
Yeah.
Of course, judging from we know that.
Our Lord is good.
All the time, my brother. So tell me, introduce yourself to us.
My name is Timothy Nkemakona, but everybody knows me as Nkem.
Nkem.
Yes.
Oh.
I have been here for quite a long time.
Like how many years are we talking about?
Let me say 7 or 6 years.
Okay, 7 to 6 years. Okay, that means I think judging from this particular place, I think more recently can be the more about this particular vicinity. Yeah.
Cutylight has been existing so many long ago. Only that you are not coming here, you are not a woman. If you are a woman, you will be hearing about Nkpokiti.
So talking about being a woman, yeah, let's talk about the kind of business you do right here.
I do weave-on attachment. I have workers inside here.
Okay.
I'm the one who controlling here on the other side.
Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, you sell human hairs, let's say weave-ons and everything to make it.
Makeup, everything.
Oh.
We do nails here. We make here.
Wow. Okay, so talking about that, as a man, it might not be rare for you to see a man diving into a woman's business. Because to me, I feel like this is a woman business, yeah?
But it's giving money. That business is giving money.
Oh, wow.
As well as you are seeing, people are moving around. Here is center of students area, IMT, Peaceland, Edgewood before.
Yeah.
People are moving here. Work is going on. As you can see, if you come around here, here is moving well.
So how are you coping with, because this business you do is mainly ladies kind of business, right?
As a man, I know myself.
Okay.
I control my temper.
Okay.
Because it's woman business I'm doing. What I need is my money. Call me idiot and pay me my money. That's what I need.
I like that. I like that angle of you. So talking about that, those ones you've talked about right now, let's talk about what are the challenges. Like somebody that's not going at this business for a very long time. What are the challenges you've probably faced around the vicinity, around the Ogbe?
Challenge is much. Envy. If you do not give another your neighbor work, that person will be envy about you.
Okay.
If you not give you a customer to buy a touch or phone. You know women thing now. You don't need to patronize all of them at a time. What we do, we give those people work, so that here will be fine. This is the challenges we see here.
Wow. So, but from the neighborhood itself, what are the challenges you face around the neighborhood?
Sometimes they will come here and break the shop. Like last month, they broke my shop and collect attachment and phone. I'm starting coping up again. It's not easy for me.
So is it like there is no much security around here? There is no security?
There is security, but I don't know whether the security has slipped or what. But we are paying for security people. But we are seeing challenge of stealing something. Sometimes they will come and break your shop. Not only my own. Inside here, they have breaking shop all the time and correcting our goods. That is the challenges we are seeing here.
That is not really something so encouraging, especially as a business person, because I'm now 20 naira or 10 naira you lose with very big money for you.
That
right?
time I just came back from market on Saturday like this. I did not come to work every Monday. I stay with my family. Before coming back on Tuesday, they don't call me. Are you in the shop? The shop is open. I don't tell you all the goods I bought. I sell it.
Wow.
This is challenges I'm facing now. Trying to cope up again.
Wow. Wow. This is disheartening. So I feel it's much easier for me to feel emotion. I know I look tough, yeah. But things like this, I'm a businessman also. I'm what you probably might be passing through right now. But looking at you, of course, You're a very strong man. Yeah. And I believe God will definitely make ways for you and all that. So, okay, let's look at business here generally. How is business generally? The kind of business you do, how is it generally around here? Is it like something that moves? Is it like, you know?
No, it's moving. You can see legs passing here. As well as you are doing business where people are passing around, definitely they will be buying something. Even if you do not, if somebody do not want to buy something, there is some certain things you will have to attract that person to buy something. Our Lord is good here. We are trying.
Okay, so on behalf of Ndi Ogbe, this particular vicinity, because even Jumani, the popular is when we asked Kedoy Mego business ever after a very long time, almost about 3 ladies pointed at your shop. Same when I get here, there is a man there. So, but when I got here, I saw a woman. I said, no, it might not be here. So I now looked inside. The phone was a man here. You know, so it entirely means that because I know women. You know, okay, let me not talk about it. So, on behalf of Ndi Ogbe and on behalf of Afia TV and Afia Radio also, we want to say Jide Kiji, Jisike. I believe the government will definitely look into the security affairs, especially from this Nkpokiti axis, yeah? Because madam business and it's really for them. It is not Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate you. Jisike Ogankem. I like that your name, Ogankem. Thank you so much. So guys, akwema na onye oli bụ onye oli gbala onye oli bịa touch ebe o jeli izu oli akwema na ọ dala iwu ndị oli. Think about this thing I just said right now, because this is Ogbe, right? Where your own opinion and my own opinion matters. So it entirely means that life on your zaka, so that kaka arrange you. You know, say let's not very soon now start the shout. Na first time. Oh. My father will always say something about atolo malo or malo. Call atolo veke. I believe the government is actually listening to this my proverbs. It entirely tells you that doing business around here, their goods and services are not secured. So there should be a touch-up inside the marketing, especially when it comes to security-wise. Thank you so much for being part of this amazing one. Let's see on the next segment. Let's stay in Ogbe. They call me Cutylight. Bye-bye. Of course, you are still on to Ogbe, the voice of the street, where the opinion of a common man like Monwa and the Gonwa matters right here. They still call me Cutylight. Ejike Ibuchin Light. One guy to know Ogbe. This is the segment where we feature the next biggest thing from this particular vicinity. Ladies and gentlemen, just like you know earlier, as my tour guide, he's actually the next big thing coming out from this particular place. Talking about that, this is Noel of Enugu. Nice to have you right here.
Yeah.
So introduce yourself to us.
Okay, as he said, my name is Engineer Emeka Naji, called Noel of Enugu. Okay, and as you can see, we are here in Ogbe, you know, for Enugu Street Fashion Show.
Okay.
Yeah.
That brought me to ask you exactly what we are doing here. So tell me more about the fine member today, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
As you can see, we are I don't know Ogbe. Here today is the first street fashion show in Nigeria, known as Enugu Street Fashion Show. Okay, and we are happy to be doing it here in Enugu State.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the first street fashion show ever in Nigeria as an event, and it is hosted by Ibis Models Management. Ibis Models Management is one of the top-notch modeling agencies in Southeast. So we decided to bring in a fashion show to Enugu Street Fashion Show.
Okay.
From the normal fashion shows.
So that's the idea generally.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's dive into you've said something about the ideas. What are we expecting to see today? Like what I go just okay, we're expecting to see top brands Okay.
Okay, our headline sponsors, Kedo, and Afia TV, of course, you can see. And a whole lot of media people are here because this is the first of its kind. And we're expecting to see street fashion designers, top-notch fashion designers. We're expecting to see supermodels walk on the runway. You know, we're expecting to see a whole lot of big personalities walk on the red carpets and a whole lot of things.
So, you know, because it's something you find in many more way, yeah? Do you have like masquerade, you know, those things that brings back memories and the rest?
You can make money without masquerade. So masquerade is around. So we have masquerade performances, okay? We have music performances. We have arts, culture, whatever that entertainment entails. We have them here.
Okay, so for most of the people that would want to get connected to what you're doing here today, yes, especially to you as a brand, yeah, how can they get connected to you?
Okay, Enugu Street Fashion Show on IG, on Instagram at Enugu Street Fashion Show, on Facebook at Enugu Street Fashion Show, okay, and then if you want to get through to us, the hosts, at Ivy's Models Management. We are the host of this street fashion show.
Okay, so guys, just like you know, guys, in the go to my touch, and Olaskins happens to be someone that designed my outfit for today, yeah, and he's part of this particular event also.
Yes.
So tell me, who designed your outfit?
Okay, as you can see, if you look at my back, you see Rich Clan Apparels. Yeah, that's him here. Okay, this is Rich Clan. He's the person that designed these outfits. Okay. He's a street fashion designer, very, very good at what he does. And we have a whole lot of people like him too that will be displayed today too.
Are we expecting like a street style, like you want to go that kind of thing? Let's say in a mood like this, we'll have something like a street style that comes to the street. You want to go?
Of course, now. Yes, now. Of course.
So that's majorly the plan for most of the things you're doing. Yeah. You want the street to be in concrete. In fact, each or not, I book on the street about whatever is happening, especially in the fashion industry.
Exactly.
So do you have talking about that here? Who and who do you have in contact? Let's say fashion designers that you probably have you got involved in this particular stuff. Yeah.
Okay, like you said earlier, we have Ola Scales. Yeah. We have Ola Scales. We have Rich Clan Apparel. He's also going to showcase. Okay. We have Serene Estilo. He's a top-notch designer. Serene Estilo is around. We have a whole lot of others. We have JK. We have Zero Hashtag. We have a whole lot of them that I can't even mention. To mention but a few.
Okay, to mention but a few.
Yes.
So let's talk about you giving shout out to most of the people that made this possible for you. So give shout out to your organizers who made this particular thing possible for you, you know.
Okay, a special shout out and thanks to Mr. Gaius Chibueze, who happens to be our headline sponsor through his media, Kedo app, Voice of the East. Special thanks to him. Special shout out to my team, Febo is there. Special shout out to Emmanuel, to Mr. Fizzy. Special shout out to everybody that have been making these plans with us and that are here present today to make sure that everything we are doing today comes to reality. Special shout out to Cutylight. Special shout out to Afia TV. I know people forget to now. Yeah.
You know, when you talk about TV, you didn't talk about radio. Don't forget we still have radio stations. Also.
Okay, yes. Special shout out to Afia Radio. In fact, I'm so happy because it's just like the whole media in Enugu just came. These people love Ogbe. They love streets. Yeah. Just like all of them came and we're happy. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Just like you guys know, guys, this is Enugu Street Fashion Show. You have to go. I'm not gonna like this. I change the piano style, but I say by the street way. Yeah. It's not as a matter they be right. I'm saying. I think one last question I'm going to ask you. How do you feel to be featured on this particular Ogbe show?
It's a privilege and I'm happy. I'm very happy to be featured in this segment of the Ogbe program by your one and only Cutylight. I'm so happy and privileged to be here with you.
Talking about that, what is the future for you?
Well, the future is
Like, are there other plans aside immediately after this particular one? No, another one I got come. Other things we need to do.
If I am why you got me we have a whole lot.
So is there anyone you want us to follow along?
Of course now, we have a whole lot. This program, Ogbe, is a program that has everything to do what we're doing here today. Okay. So we definitely want you to follow up in every other thing we're doing.
It's all right.
Thank you so much.
We'll see you very big.
Thank you so much.
We'll see you definitely. We got your back anytime, any day. You gotta go.
All right.
Of course, this is Ogbe, the voice of the street. When the opinion of the common man, like the good one and the good one, matters. Just like you already know, yes. I told you guys that today is for Enugu State fashion show. Ladies and amazing gentlemen,
just go there, I'm coming.
You're
now.
definitely going to be enjoying
what I'm like this.
amazing one. You're definitely going to be enjoying this cool one. You know why? Because as you hot from here. So enjoy most of the things that is happening right here. But this might actually be my bye-bye for me. They still call me Cutylight. One guy told Ogbe. Ogbe now, so when you so these are my guys, you know. So talking about that, yeah, don't forget to follow us in all social media platforms, right? It is Afia TV official. It is Afia TV official. And also make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube page. It is Afia Culture and Lifestyle. So make sure you're subscribed to that particular place because that is where you're going to be seeing more of this. Because that kind of thing. After seeing it on television, by YouTube, you want to go that kind of thing. I see you when I see you, but before I see you, one day let's make it work for you.